All right, so today we're going to be practicing counting by tens and then counting on. So we're combining two things we've already practiced. Remember, when we're counting on, we have to think about the number that comes right after it. Counting by tens is when we skip count. So let's practice. Let's see. We know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticks can be represented in a group of 10. So we would never have to take the sticks out and count this group. We know when it looks like this that it's a group of 10. So when we count it, we can always say 10. So now let's practice counting our groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Do it one more time with me. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Now, that's how we count by tens. Let's combine it and count by 10 and then on. So here I see one group of 10. Do we have to count all 10 by themselves? No, we know that this is a group of 10, so when we count it, we'll just say 10. Oh no, I don't see any more groups of 10, so now I have to stop. I have 10 sticks, and now I need to count on by ones. What number comes right after 10? 11, that's right. So I would count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here the number is 14. That would be a 1 and a 4. One group of 10 and 4 extra ones. Let's try another one. Here I see a group of 10 again, so I know that's the number 10. I don't have to count them. But that's all the groups of 10, so I have to stop and get ready to count by ones. What number comes right after 10? That's right, we just said it. It's 11, so let's count on after 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This time there are 17 sticks. That's one group of 10 and 7 extra ones. This time I see more than one group of 10, so I would count those first. Counting by tens, 10, 20. That's two groups of 10. 10, 20. I don't see any more, so I have to stop and count by ones. What number comes right after 20? 21. That's right. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Can you count that with me? Let's try it. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Nice work. Oh my, this time there are even more groups of 10. Remember, we count the groups of 10 first, then we stop. So let's try the groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Good job. We have to stop because there are no more groups of 10. And now we're going to count on by ones. So we have 40 sticks here. What comes right after the number 40? Did you say 41? That's right. So we can count on after 40 by counting 41, 42, 43, 44. Count this whole thing with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Good job. That's four groups of 10 and four extra ones. This would look like the number 4, 4, because 44 is 4 groups of 10 and 4 extra ones. All right. Okay, here we go. We're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30. I'm going to stop because I don't see any more tens. But I also don't see any extra ones. So what number is this? I'm going to count them again to see if I can hear the answer. 10, 20, 30. When we're counting, the last number we say is the answer. Did you hear the answer? The answer is 30. There are 30 sticks. That's 3 groups of 10, a 3 and a 0 if we wrote it down. Okay, I want you to try to count this one. Remember, count the groups of 10 first, then stop and count by ones. Go ahead and try it. Let's see if you get the same answer as me. I'm going to count 10, 20, 30. I stop. There are no more groups of 10, and I'm going to count on by one. So I had 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Wow, there were 36 sticks. Is that the answer you got? Nice job. All right, boys and girls, here's what we're going to do now. You're going to stop this video when it's over, and you're going to find the worksheet. Try and count the sticks and type in the number it equals. So for this one, I would have written a 3 and a 6 because there are 30 groups. I'm sorry, there are 30 sticks in groups of 10s, 3 groups of 10, and there are 6 extra ones. So that would be a 3 and then a 6, 36 sticks. See if you can get all the answers. Try your best.